Hello, my fellow Star Wars fans and Jedi out there. We're going to watch Ahsoka together. This is about as good as it's going to get. Oh, I'll do a helmet video. I always do those. I'll slow it down and show you which ones are which. But this is about as good as it's going to get since Disney Plus won't let me capture video with my computer. So hopefully this will work. Bear with me. So the red, I like that. That indicates that we're going to be looking at the Sith side or the dark side of the Force. This crawl, though, could have been, diagonal. I don't know why they didn't do that. So the evil galactic empire has fallen. The new republic has risen to take its place. However, sinister agents are already at work to undermine the fragile peace. A plot is underway to find the lost Imperial Grand Admiral Thrawn and bring him out of exile. Once presumed dead, rumors are spreading of Thrawn's return, which would galvanize the Imperial remnants and start another war. Former Jedi Knight Ahsoka Tano captured one of Thrawn's allies and learned of a secret map which is vital to the enemy's plan. Ahsoka now searches for the map as her prisoner Morgan Elsbeth is transported to the New Republic for trial. So I read that out loud because apparently, and doesn't this look like Voyager from Star Trek? This New Republic ship. It's kind of like round and, which is less disagreeable or less menacing than like the angular or triangular ships of the Empire. That's a good touch. But I read that crawl aloud because apparently my friend who is sightless, he said that the audio description service did not read it out loud. And there's a lot of information there that's kind of important. I mean, we're going after a map, right? So we're doing the whole thing from, the sequels, right? The sequel movies where we find a map to Luke Skywalker. I love that they refer to the Imperial Code clearance. That's pretty cool. Actually, we should go through this like scene by scene probably. But I just wanted to talk about a couple things before we do that. So, Morgan Elsbeth. She is the villain in the scene with Michael Biehn. Remember Michael Biehn? He's like her henchman. When we see Ahsoka Tano in The Mandalorian. And the Mandalorian goes to that walled city and he gets the Beskar spear. So that's pretty cool. So she was a cool character. So I'm glad they're bringing her back. So that's a plus for sure. And look at these insignia. I love how like the Republic, the Rebels, they have this like these weird looking blocky insignia. Cracks me up. So anyway, the Imperial shuttle, right? So we'll cut this all up and then that way it probably won't get demonetized or flagged or anything like that. So go back to Ahsoka.